Ophis Deputy Commissioner Bhoi District ryngkat ke jingtrei lang bat Tnad sorkar bapher bakentup ya ke Ophis DTO, DRDA, DSWO, DMHO, DLC bat DLDM mynta ke sngi kila pynlong ya ke prokram jingsumar Nongñiah Auto thain Nongpoh kapala tip kum ka one-day camp on schemes and come-free medical checkup for auto drivers ya ke bala pynlong Ophis District Transport Officer Bhoi. Lyngba kane ka program ka long ru ka jingkyrkhuh ka khraw ya Nongñiah Auto ka thain Nongpoh ki bala wan shim ya kane ka kabu ban yo ya ka jingsumar ba shisngi ban tip ikija jingpang bapher bat khamtam ki scheme bat kijat insurance kum Nongñiah bat kamai auto ki dei ban tip bat pan yo jing mantoi ha kane ka sngi lawan ban sakhi da ka vevotulu Kezo IAS Assistant Commissioner Bhoi haka jingedon ryngkat uba karmon DTO Nongpoh lembat ki driver auto na kathain Nongpoh.
You will be insured for 40 lakhs, only accidental insurance. So since you are on the road, it is you will be insured for 40 lakhs, only accidental insurance. So since you are on the road, it is you will be insured for 40 lakhs, only accidental insurance. So since you are on the road, it is
So the district administration, Bhoi District, is organizing this one-day camp on insurance schemes as well as a medical checkup for the auto drivers in Bhoi. So it is a full-day program. We're doing this in collaboration with the DTO, the DSWO, the DMHO, and a number of organizations and departments here. So we're expecting around 300 to 400 auto drivers to be coming here for their registration. The insurances such as PMJJBY, SBI, Atal Pension Yojana, and accident insurance schemes. So these are some things that we're focusing on. So we hope that it will be a successful program. Thank you.